Welcome back to our channel and thank you for joining us today. I am Johnny, and in this video, we're going to explore the world of cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, and introduce you to an incredible online resource called Freud. If you've ever wondered how CBT can help you achieve personal growth and emotional well-being, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in.
CBT involves a collaborative relationship between the therapist and the client. Together, they work to identify and challenge irrational or unhelpful thoughts and beliefs. In cases of phobias and anxiety disorders, CBT often employs exposure therapy. This gradual exposure to feared situations or objects helps individuals desensitize their fear responses and build resilience. CBT is typically a short-term therapy, often lasting 10-20 sessions. It is structured and goal-oriented, with specific objectives set for each session. CBT helps individuals recognize cognitive distortions or thinking errors, such as all or nothing thinking, catastrophizing, and personalization. By identifying these distortions, individuals can learn to reframe their thoughts more accurately. CBT equips individuals with practical coping strategies and skills to manage their emotions and behaviors. These may include relaxation techniques, problem-solving skills, and assertiveness training.
CBT is a widely recognized and effective approach to improving mental health. It focuses on identifying and changing negative thought patterns and behaviors to enhance emotional well-being. CBT teaches us to recognize our thought patterns and how they impact our emotions and behaviors. By understanding these connections, we gain more control over our lives. So why is CBT so important? Let's explore some of its key benefits. CBT can help reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. It equips us with practical tools to manage stress, overcome challenges, and improve our overall quality of life. Now let's introduce you to an exciting online resource that makes CBT accessible 24/7, Freud. Freud is an innovative app designed to bring the power of CBT right to your fingertips. Whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, or simply looking to boost your mental well-being, Freud is here to help. So let's take a closer look at how Freud works. Freud offers a range of interactive features, mood tracking, personalized exercises, and 24/7 access to trained virtual assistants. These virtual assistants are there to guide you through CBT techniques, answer questions, and provide support whenever you need it. To truly understand the impact of CBT and Freud, let's hear from some real people who've experienced positive changes in their lives.
Using Freud has helped me manage my anxiety like never before. It's like having a therapist in my pocket.
CBT techniques taught by Freud have improved my self-esteem and relationships. I can't recommend it enough.
Okay, now let's explore some practical CBT techniques that you can start using right away with the help of Freud. We'll cover techniques like thought challenging, setting smart goals, and managing stress through relaxation exercises. Freud will guide you through each step. It's really easy to onboard Freud. You simply go to their website. It's freud.rocks. You can simply click the Try Now button, and in the next step, you can sign up for a free account. Just enter your email and your name, and boom, there we are. You created your account and can use it. I mean, it's insane. It's about 30 seconds until your personal assistant is ready to answer questions and helps you to improve your mental balance. That's really awesome. As we wrap up, let's talk about the future. CBT and Freud are changing the way we approach mental health and personal development. With advancements in technology and a growing understanding of the mind, the possibilities for personal growth and emotional well-being are limitless. That brings us to the end of this video. We hope you've gained a better understanding of the importance of CBT and the incredible resource that is Freud. Remember, your mental well-being matters, and with Freud by your side, you can unlock your full potential. So, don't forget to take a look at Freud today and start your journey towards a happier, healthier you. Thanks a lot for watching, appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.